YouTube and see how it goes. Get this over. This over here and the chat over here. Good morning. Here it is. Hope you are good, Sasha. Yes, I'm so much better. You have no idea. Man, I felt like shit for 2 days. Alright, that seems to be good on YouTube. Hopefully. Go check here. So are we on? That seems okay. All right. Awesome. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back, guys. All right, good morning, good morning. So people are joining in and I'm just a little late for 2-3 minutes. I had to run some tests this morning. So let me grab some water. I'll be right back and we're gonna get this thing going. All right, all right. This, we are set. Set to rock and roll, baby. All right. That, maybe a little bit more. All right. Oh, Zane has a nice hat. Look at this guy looking sharp this morning. All right, amazing. All right, so Let's remove this here. There we go. All right, good morning, guys. So welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome to this Franglish live session. So don't forget to mute yourself while coming in on Zoom. And yes, if it's your first time here, don't freak out. You're gonna hear me speaking from French to English and English to French. I'll try to translate pretty much everything, so you're not gonna be missing anything, right? Donc, si c'est votre première fois, bienvenue ici ce matin dans le Zoom, dans le live session Franglish. Donc, venez pas fou, je vais passer du français à l'anglais. Je vais essayer de transmettre le plus possible d'informations à tous. Donc, vous manquerez absolument rien. Donc, sur ce, sans plus tarder, commençons. So, enough talking and let's get started. All right, so let's get started with the monthly chart, right? Remove something in green here. There we go. Perfect. All right, so let's talk about this monthly chart. All right, so looking at the monthly chart, basically what we look at right now, I mean, price is going up, but we reach a point that price needs to come down. This is a new monthly candle. So this monthly candle already broke previous high. So I really think that during the month, we're probably going to be pushing to the upside. But right now, this monthly candle needs to create that bottom wick. So that's why right now we are bearish. Donc, principalement, si on regarde le chart du mois, si on regarde cette nouvelle chandelle-là du mois, a déjà brisé le haut précédent. Mais par contre, c'est une nouvelle chandelle qui vient de commencer, donc on a besoin de créer le bas pour pouvoir continuer en haut par la suite. Donc, on doit créer la mèche en bas avant d'aller vers le haut. Okay, so guys, understand when candles are created, needs to form a bottom wick or a top wick, and after that, create the candle, right? So this is exactly what it's doing, and this is actually perfect because it started to push down and it's gonna go back up right after. That's my long-term bias here, but right now let's talk about what's going on right now. So on the weekly chart, I mean, as you see, we are trending bullish. Right now we already broke previous high on the weekly. Now we're forming that bottom wick. So again, this week, I don't know, maybe we need to come down a little lower, maybe next week also, before pushing back up. So we might need a little dip down before going back up. So, but so far this week is bearish. But indication is we're gonna probably continue bullish since we broke previous high on the previous candle. Donc, si on regarde la chandelle de la semaine, principalement, on est à la baisse. Donc, on a respecté jusqu'à présent le bas précédent, mais on a brisé le haut précédent. Donc, ce qui m'indique qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut techniquement. Mais ça se peut que cette semaine et la semaine prochaine, on ait un mouvement vers le bas avant de continuer vers le haut. All right, so now looking at the daily. Looking at the daily chart. All right, so now looking at the daily, I mean, we were ranging for 3 days here. Finally broke to the downside, broke previous low. So now, I mean, on the daily, we have clean traffic to 141,878. Okay, so that would make sense actually to the daily to come around this area here, around like 142,400 before pushing back up. So maybe for the next couple of days, we're gonna see a drop down and we're gonna continue up right after. But as for now, we are definitely bearish today. We broke previous low, so actually today we should look at bearish, right, at sells. Donc si on regarde sur le chart journalier, donc on regarde qu'on a brisé le bas précédent déjà, on a respecté le haut précédent. Si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on voit qu'on a du trafic clair jusqu'à 141 873. Donc, on a vraiment le champ libre. jusqu'à 141 870. Par contre, je vois que le prix, d'après moi, devrait venir aux alentours de 142 400 pour après ça repousser vers le haut. Donc, c'est ce que je comprends. Mais aujourd'hui, il faut comprendre qu'on est en sell. Donc, on est à la baisse aujourd'hui, probablement pour le reste de la journée. All right, now let's go to the 4 hour. All right. All right, so looking at 4 hours right now, I mean, we had this support here that right now it's respecting on 4 hours. So now we need to see if we're gonna break this. So far, of course, we're trending bearish again. All time frames are bearish right now. So, I mean, for anyone looking for buys at this point, I mean, it's crazy. But maybe later on, maybe we're gonna see a sign for bullish movement, but as right now, I mean, everything's pointing bearish. Especially if we break this, support on 4 hour, oh man, it's gonna be beautiful. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, donc on a ce support-là ici à gauche, qui est présentement respecté. Mais si on le brise, on va avoir vraiment le champ libre, là, comme je disais tantôt, jusqu'à vraiment ici 142 360 sur le chart de 4 heures. Puis tout pointe vers le bas. Donc, à ce point-ci, si quelqu'un essaye de prendre un buy, c'est un petit peu un suicide financier. All right. So, all right. So now let's move to the 1 hour. So let's move to the 1 hour. Okay, so on 1 hour, we got this support, which is pretty much the same support as the H4, but we're gonna adjust this a little bit. Let's get to here. This is a new support, so we're gonna adjust it. This one here is pretty good. Yes, one makes sense. Perfect. Okay, so looking at H1, we're still respecting that support to the left. Now we came back down. Let me zoom this a little bit. I want you to see the other side of the chart. Okay, so if you see this price right now creating support, we're gonna push back up, retest, create a resistance, and push back down. Of course, I'm looking for price to close under this zone. And man, oh man, if this happened, we're gonna have something beautiful to this zone here. And the reason why this zone is right here and not under here, it's because there's a minor support on 30-minute, and I want to make sure I'm going to be securing profit there. So maintenant, si on regarde le chart de 1 heure, on a le même support qu'en 4 heures qui est respecté présentement ici. Donc, présentement, le prix devrait pousser un petit peu vers le haut avant de continuer vers le bas. Je regarde pour un prix qui va fermer en dessous de cette zone bleue pour pouvoir prendre une vente jusqu'à, oh mon Dieu, on a le champ libre, là, comme je disais tantôt, jusqu'à 142 400. Donc, vraiment très intéressant ici. Et présentement, si on regarde ici, on a ces chandelles-là qui respectent aussi le QP 143, qui est un niveau très psychologique. So, again, this price right now is respecting 143 QP levels, which is a very strong level. And since we broke it and closed under it, this is a really good sign that we're gonna visit the next major QP. So that should be interesting. So now let's flip to this 30 minutes. I can't even remember if I did it in French, but it's gonna be the same on 30 minutes. So looking at 30 minutes, same idea here. I mean, right now price is ranging on 30 minutes, so you don't want to touch it. But if you look on H1, we closed under 500, 143 even. So technically we should continue down. Right now price is ranging around that 143. You see this is a very strong level. So guys, don't take anything here. Wait for under here, right? Donc, présentement sur le 30 minutes, on est en train de créer un range. Donc, vous voyez les chandelles qui s'impriment une à côté de l'autre. Vous ne voulez pas trader là-dedans, spécialement autour d'un QP majeur comme 143, qui est un niveau psychologique très fort. Donc, attendez d'avoir quelque chose de plus clair à ce niveau-là. And don't forget, guys, don't forget, sorry. Don't worry, I'll be answering all questions on YouTube and Zoom just after this breakdown. So, techniquement, on devrait avoir le champ libre après ça. Là, comme je disais tantôt, j'ai placé mon support mineur ici en 30 minutes, mais le H1 il est comme ici. Là. Non, mais je l'ai placé ici pour être sûr de pouvoir sécuriser mes profits. Mais regardez ça à gauche, comment c'est beau. On a le champ libre complètement jusqu'ici. Donc, magnifique. So again, this is going to be an amazing sell. If we can get under here, man, I'm telling you, it's going to be freaking awesome. Gonna be probably the trade of the week. So even if the one from yesterday was pretty insane, man. The one from yesterday, man, that buy, we man, that runner ran like wow. It was pretty good. All right, so now let's see if we have questions or charts. Let's see here. Let's see Zoom chat. Okay. Sasha, when is the Funding Talent Challenge will be available for everyone? I don't know. You need to ask them. I have no idea at this point. Let's see this chart. All right. Whoa. What happened there? Whoa. Okay. Um. All right. So this is whoa, man. This is that's rough for my eyes. We'll look for sells once price break 49.42.777. What is this? This is volatility 100. Man, I don't know this pair. So this probably stock. To be honest, man, I don't know this one. This is the first time someone sent me this chart. But look like all right. So let's try to take a look here. And it's very hard to see. Um, okay, so you form support. You're at the support right now. Okay, so basically you need to be very careful. But we'll sell breaks one. Yeah, that would make sense, definitely. But you took the sell right here based on what you put on your chart. This is not clear, man. When you send a chart, make sure you send labels to indicate your thought process, you know. Because right now, especially with those colors, is the red on red, it's just very, very, very hard to see. Um, all right, so sorry, man. I know I seen your Instagram. Glad to hear you're feeling better. Took a small 10 pip loss today on GN. Oh, never trading a pair. Never trading a pair I'm not familiar with again. LOL. Hopefully covered that loss today. Yes. Yeah, Bricky, that's why it's very, very, very super important to stick with one or two pair max. And I will only recommend starting to look at a second pair after 1 year focus on one pair. Okay. So make sure that yeah, don't get distracted by the rest. You see that screen in the back? Yeah. This screen is for recording almost done, man. I'm a little late in recording. I was really hoping to finish recording the course last weekend, but I still have a couple videos to do, so crossing fingers to release it in the next couple days. All right, good morning. On whose IG? My IG, I guess. No. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, good, that's good. In the 4 hour, I have the big clean traffic. Oh yes, oh yes, it's gonna be beautiful. We'll look for sell 142,900 because of clean traffic to the left side. Yes, definitely makes sense. Same idea here. Let's take a look at Gary's charts. So, copy. Oh, what I did. I really like my keyboard, but the only thing I don't like is the Control C, Control V doesn't work sometimes. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so this is GJ 30 minutes. All right, clean candle to the left. Yes. Save buy above 143,640. Yes, I didn't even talk about buys at this point because it's way up there, but yeah, that makes sense. And sells below 142,900. Yes, same idea here. Perfect. 50 pip range. man, it's gonna be a pretty good day. I feel it. All right, so let's take a look at Mike. Let's take a look at Mike. Does it affect today? Oh, what is this? GJ 30 minute? I think you're overthinking here. Yeah, because this is your most recent traffic. Okay. So what happened here doesn't really matter, you know. This is your clean traffic here. So but you gotta keep in mind if there's a consolidation zone, you keep in mind that it might be a problem. But to be honest, you gotta focus on the most clean on the most recent traffic. Okay, and this is your most recent traffic. So yes, no, I don't look at this. Wasim, you inspired me to keep on working. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Oh, that's a very nice chart, man. Good job, Zane. Yeah. Oh, wow. Damn. All right, so entry when price broke the low. This is the 30-minute chart, right? When was that? Oh, yeah, that was yesterday. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But the thing here, okay, so the thing here, I understand your thought process here, and it makes sense. The only thing, though, look at this support right here on your left. It's strong, you know. Just like it went back and boom, pushed back up right away. It didn't play in there. It didn't do like 1, 2, 3, 4 candle to start pushing back. It just hit it and bounced back up, right? So that means a very strong level here. So that's and especially that price was falling for a while. So you need to expect price to push back up before coming back down. So you kind of try to sell a low. So that's the only problem. But all your thought process made sense. You know, it made sense. Donc, qu'est-ce que j'explique à Zane? So let me do this in French very quickly because I think it's very good. En passant, ça, c'est un très, très beau chart. C'est très bien label, c'est parfait. Euh, la façon que Zane a pensé ce trade-là fait beaucoup de sens. Euh, en fait, c'est parfait à l'exception de deux petits détails qui sont majeurs. Le support qui est ici à gauche. Oh, I'm pointing on the wrong screen. Sorry. So basically I was saying this support here, right? Okay, now I'm pointing to the right place. This support here, I'm gonna redo the English very quickly. When it came down, it didn't play in this range, 1, 2, 3 candles and push back up. It actually touched it and boom, rejected right away. So that's why when I was looking at this, I looked to the left and I was like, I was expecting price to mirror this. And it's exactly what happened. So you need to be very careful when reaching a support like this. Donc, ce que j'expliquais, parce que je pointais pas à la bonne direction, dans le bon écran. Donc, principalement, je reviens à ce que je disais. Tout était parfait dans le trade de Zane ici. Tout faisait du sens. Il y a deux détails très importants. C'est que, un, on a touché un support qui est très fort. Pourquoi le prix descendait, a touché, boum, a rejeté tout de suite immédiatement. Donc, c'était il y avait de grosses chances que le prix fasse la même chose ici, rendu à droite. Donc ça, c'est un détail. Le deuxième détail, c'est qu'on a essayé de, ici, Zane a essayé de vendre un bas. Donc c'est un creux. Donc c'est déjà, le prix a déjà poussé vers le bas énormément, a besoin d'arrêter, faire une pause, pousser vers le haut pour continuer vers le bas. Right? So basically, remember this, guys, when price is pushing hard to the downside, at one point, it needs to stop, take a break, push back up a little bit to come back down, right? So don't get trapped to sell a low or buy high, right? So that's the only thing here. But all the rest made sense, Zane. It just Just the thought process was really good, and again, like, very nice chart. Um, all right, so let's see here. Mike Zain, we did that. Okay, best wishes from Pakistan to you, sir. Oh, thank you, Wasim. Salut, salut. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonne chance aujourd'hui. All right. Bonjour, Albert. Bonjour. Ça va bien, ça va bien. Oh, I thought that was Albert. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes. Sure. Yeah, sure. I did it yesterday night on the Forex Talk over a beer. So if you want to rewatch this episode, that episode, but I can bring it down. We have time right now, so price is just ranging, so we have time. So I'm gonna do it. But keep in mind that pretty much every Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday usually I break down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday trade. Um, but yesterday I only broke down yesterday trade because I had a specific subject about um funding talent challenge versus FTMO challenge. So so anyway, so that's why I only broke down yesterday, but we have time this morning, so I don't mind. So all right, so let's do it. So basically, let me grab an arrow here. So basically, what happened is when price came down to this place right here, okay, I looked to the left and I saw that. Okay, so this was a great support. Why? Because price was pushing hard to the downside, and when it hit that price rejected to the upside right away. It didn't play in this range. Didn't print like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles before pushing back up. It actually pushed back up right away. So basically, when I saw this coming down, I saw this candle. Actually, this was pushing hard. This candle got smaller, got rejected here, closed back here. This candle broke previous high, respected previous low, and closed as a small body candle. So I was like, okay, so I think this move to the downside is dying. So let's see if we can get a support form with an engulfing candle. And that's exactly what happened. We had this very nice, beautiful, big candle right here to confirm support at this level. So for me, it was clear that price was rejecting this area and we need to come back up before continuing down because that's how price move. So when price is moving to the downside or to the upside, oh, now I see you, Albert. And so when price move to the downside or the upside, at one point price need to stop and go up and continue down, right? So that was the thinking here. The other thing I did is I actually let me grab. So the other thing I did is I kind of use this thing here, and I don't trade based on that. Very important to understand, but this is just a tool I'm using sometimes. So I was expecting price to retrace in this in this golden zone. Where's my thing here? So I was expecting price to come back up here in this zone before rejecting to the downside, right? And so I kind of used this golden zone as a TP. So since I was expecting price to close and reject here, I kind of use this as a TP. So I closed most of my position when I was in that area. I actually closed one of my last runner. One of my TP was actually to get that back this arrow. So my target was to fill this wick here. Okay. And it actually got filled right here. So that was the end of my third runner, and I left it, and I closed half of my last runner at this point, and I let it run, and unfortunately it went down, and I at this point my stop was moved to I kind of placed my stop right under here in this, right under this zone. So my stop was in profit, so that was fine. My stop close, I think, was like 10 pips if I'm not wrong. So for the runner, so that was a pretty good trade. So that was the thought process. Hopefully it helps. That's a good question. Yes, because I know that you probably heard in the stream that there is a tiny range. Yes, but don't forget something. Um, don't forget for me. When I look at it, when I look at this candle here, what time is it? Tell me. But I'm gonna give you a hint. It's written. It's written on the screen. Yes. So the next one is. All right. So what happened at 8:30? Oh yeah, not New York Exchange, but the NY Open Market. Yeah. So, so I'm expecting the volume to push in and break that minor support right here. So, and it's exactly what happened. So if it was at 7 o'clock, that will be a different story. And that's why I keep on telling my student, timing is everything. And don't forget one thing. This trade was not my first one to trade that kind of setup, so it was not something new for me. It's something I back tested it, and I actually took those kind of trade couple times, since then, and you can see those in my journal. So now price is breaking, and it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm not touching an impulse right now. No, not at this time. It's just too early for impulse. And look at this range here. We have time, guys. Price will not shoot out in one candle for 50 pips. Just like I actually hopefully not. But yes. Yes, yeah, let's take a look at those. So yeah. So let's take a look here. I like Forex Factory better. Look at those in 57 minutes. It's gonna be, man, there's gonna be some fireworks, man. It's gonna be some fireworks. Woohoo! Oh we it's gonna be crazy. Yes. So yeah, we'll see. But we gotta be very careful. Let's see if we're talking about here. Oh, here. Let's see. Yeah, same thing. We have something here. Sometimes they write something about what's coming up. Oh, here. Uh last month, March. Consecutive expansion. UK construction activity as a lockdown measure when Dogecoin. Jesus. Ugh. Yeah, okay. What is the numbers expected? Expected numbers here. And nothing seems to be changing though. Same numbers, yeah. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, but yeah. Yeah, so you see now if you took that impulse at what 142 900, now you are so stressed because price coming back up, right? Oh, I knew you triggered it. Oh, damn. Oh, okay. This is probably gonna flip bullish, to be honest. Yeah, we need one. Actually, the perfect setup will be for this one to close under and get candle printing bullish to retest that zone, and next one creating resistance, and we can ride the next one. So that would put us at this one. Let's say this one close here at 6. So 6:30 going up, 7 closing down. We ride the 7:31. So that's how I see it. This one, I don't know. Just like look at this here. I mean, I can see yes, that can be a reversal, especially that we are at 143. So now price can be just playing us right under hit, under 143, but it can reject 143 big time. So yes, that would be something, and I will be looking probably at that entries. I don't know, probably depends on the timing, right? But it's something I can see rejecting 143. But so far we closed under, so technically we should continue down, right? But it's something I can see definitely. Oh, the hell? Okay. Actually, that's huh, interesting. All right, so let's see if we have question here. Oh, sorry, YouTube, man, I forgot about you guys. All right, so Andrew, what's up? Um, Adil, bonjour. Do you wait for the news? We'll see how it plays, but yeah. We'll see how the market absorbs it, but to be honest, we have time. We have time, so we're good. I did not get notified when the stream started on my phone. Oh, what's up with that? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you activate notification. By the way, guys, I'm missing one subscriber to hit the 700 mark, so do it. Um, Corey Elon tweets Dogecoin for the people, and literally Doge flies up. Yeah, people is getting people are getting dumb these days. Just like this, that. freaking I don't want to even talk about this, but this freaking GameStop stock. I mean, Jesus. People are so freaking dumb. And people are losing money right now. People are definitely losing money because they're holding it. I'm like, why are you holding this? You retard? It's just like it's gonna go bankrupt. Who is buying a game at the store now these days? This is Blockbuster 2.0. So I mean, Netflix came on and Blockbuster went to bankruptcy, right? So, anyways, I'm just now you missed 2 subscribers on YouTube. Oh, thank you, Andrew. This guy, man, he's always busting my balls. I love you, Andrew. Um. Oh, yay. uh, I think it can create resistance at 143, 150, and then it goes down. 50. Oh yeah, that's possible. Makes sense. Donc, encore une fois, faut être patient. Il y a des grosses nouvelles qui s'en viennent pour le pound. Donc, on doit être patient, voir un peu les nouvelles qu'on va avoir à ce niveau. Mais encore une fois, si vous avez pris une entrée impulsive ici, présentement, vous êtes stressé, right? Parce que là, le prix est en train de flipper bullish. Puis, vous êtes dans le drawdown. Donc, fermez votre position, fermez un pourcentage, relaxez. C'est pour ça que j'attends le close. C'est trop tôt pour un entrée impulsif. So, again, if you took that impulse entry, I mean, you're living in a stress right now. So, just if you're not feeling right, close 50%, close full, reduce your risk. And yeah, I mean, we have time. This is way too, for me, it's way too early for an impulse. But it's okay if you took it and you're feeling okay about it. But for me personally, it's too early. I'm on YouTube too, and give a like. Oh, thank you, Alba. Merci, merci. Yeah, guys, don't forget to give a like to the stream. That'll be very appreciated. Oh, where's my gift animation here? There we go. Smash that like button. All right, guys. So smash this like button. We are at 8 likes. We need to get to 50, man. Come on. We need to get to 50 by the end of the stream, at least. All right. So, oh, here we go. Two more. Getting there, getting there. So. It was so weird because yesterday I was trying to stream with OBS for my Forex Talk over beer episode. And if you see what I see right now on my screen for YouTube, it's just a part of my share screen. So I was freaking out. I was like, oh man, people doesn't see me and they don't see my screen. So, and I didn't went to check on YouTube. I just saw that they call that a preview screen kind of. And I was freaking out. I was like, shit, man, it's not working. So basically, I was like almost like 20 minutes late for the show, and I finally ending up streaming on Zoom. And this morning I was trying to fix the problem. It was the same problem, and I was like, wait a second, let me go check. So I actually went to check on YouTube, and it was just perfect. I was like, God damn it! She's like, I freaked out for nothing. So, anyways. I guess sound is good on YouTube and the image is clear because if it wasn't, people would already told me, right? So we have what almost 50 people on Zoom. We got 15. We got 50 people on Zoom and almost 50 on YouTube. All right, that's cool. Getting there. Still early. All right, let's remove this. So as you see, this candle, as expected, is closing bullish for the 15-minute right here. So you see, oh man, look at 15 minutes. Oh man, what a mess. It's just, what a mess. Oh man, I can see people taking impulse right here on this wick. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. And Impulse can be brutal for people. People that get introduced to impulse entry, man. If you don't have experience and you don't backtest it a lot, man, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Let me tell you. I mean, impulse works great when you have experience on the market, when you know how and when to use it. And that takes time, you know. But until then, just wait for candle to close. You're gonna save yourself um some losses for sure. Well, let's take a look at GA. Let's take a look at GA. All right. Let's remove all those zones. That might... It's what? Sorry, Zane? Uh-oh. Take a look very quickly here. Monthly. Monthly is... Ooh, broke previous high. So we came back down. We're retracing up, so we'll see. But it's trending down. Weekly. Bearish. It's weird, this gap here. Daily. Daily, we create a nice resistance here. Now pushing down. Oh, wow. In traffic to at least here, but wow. Ooh. GA looks amazing also. So looking at 1 hour. 4 hours, sorry. Looking at 4 hour here. Got this zone right here. Put this blue. And got this here. No, let's go adjust it on 1 hour. So basically that's how I draw my zone. I start to draw basically on 4 hour. I identify on daily, monthly, like the trend, and I identify also Wickfield. Donc, qu'est-ce que je fais sur les charts journaliers de la semaine et du mois? Souvent, je vais identifier des mèches à remplir pour des targets. So now, as you see, price is coming down. Coming up, sorry. We got this. Zone on 1 hour. Can extend right here. And you see this level was really well respected. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. That's going to be very hard for price to come back up here to break this. It's going to be a very solid one. So, yeah. 1 hour. 30. 1 hour. We got this zone here. This is a nice support. Right here. Right on that QP. Right. And let's take a look at 30 minutes. 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. We got a minor support right here. Resistance, sorry. Man, it's too early. And this right here. Right. And right here. Makes sense. Yeah, this is 78,000 is very, very, very strong. So you see it got rejected. Oh, look at this pumping up. Oh, look at this. All right, looking good, man. So on GA, I think if we can create resistance over here, Depend on the timing, but if we create resistance and next candle we can push towards volume period, I think it's gonna be easy to break that minor and come at least to retest that low, because this is a new low who got created. So basically you gotta wait for resistance to be formed and retest that low. So, and looking at it, H1 is clean, so yeah, I like this on H1. Yep, 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 yep. You know what? This is a minor, you know, so yep, that looks amazing on H1. Pretty good, pretty good. So GA looks amazing also. Nice setup for GA. Nice setup coming up for GJ, hopefully. But yeah. Uh, yeah, I losing 3 days in a row. Nejko, sorry, man. But losing what? Send us a chart. Maybe we can help you. Um, and that's the thing, guys. If you don't send chart, you will never improve. And personally, I was always the first one to send a chart to Raja, like back then, like a year ago. The stream was starting and I sent it. And the reason why I was doing that is I didn't want to be I didn't want my bias to be changed from what he was saying. I want to be coach on what I'm thinking, you know, so and what I see on the market. So that's why I was ready to send my chart as soon as the stream was opening. And at least he knows that I didn't change it, you know, because he was talking about it. So it was just like a mental something for me to prove that I understand correctly, you know. So and after a while, it just made And the first couple of weeks, man, I got my ass roasted, you know, man. I got my ass roasted a couple times, man. And it's okay, man. It's part of the process. I mean, you need to learn. So, hi, Sasha. Can you please talk about the QPs you consider to be significant? Um, they are all. Oops. They they are all significant. So let's here the blue. Why? Because the purple one are the major one, and the other one are minor. That here. So basically, QPs are psychological levels where price will mostly reject. Uh, where's my 142? Right here. I'm gonna put it. Oops. Put it. Full. And oh, I'm missing one here. 250. Those works like quarters, you know, like 25 cents, 50 cents. Um, GG what? Oh yeah, yeah, that's. I mean, I'm telling you, this 143 once it close under, man, to come back over it takes some power, man. So look at those wick, man. Wick City. And this made me think about counter trend, right? People saw me taking that counter trend yesterday, and again, I will repeat it. This was based on experience, and this was not my first time trading that setup. So, guys, I don't tell people to do counter trend. I am probably the biggest preacher about trading the trend, right? But that one was an exception because, I mean, like I said, I've been testing that setup and it worked for me. So That's why I took it. But again, focus on trading the trend. And once you get experience and you get confidence and you see those kind of setup playing in your favor, now you can execute on it. But not before that. Um, let's take a look. Take a look at gold. Ooh, what happened? Why? Why it's doing this? What's up, gold? All right, so take a look at this here. Ooh, jeez. Hello, hello, Ellie. What's up? Oh man, gold has some clean ass traffic. Wow, amazing. I think sell can work like under 1810, I think. Um, gonna leave it yellow since it's gold. But yeah, man, looking at this. Wow, trending down. Yeah, I think once breaks 1810, if you look to the left side, on the 30-minute, look at this clean traffic here. Oh, actually, hold on, wait a second. This zone is right here. Extend that to the right. Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, so let's remove this. I guess. Oh, yeah, I was good. So under 1810. Under 1810, it's a free fall. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So far, GJ is doing nothing. Oh, price can react at that level. Oh yes, thank you, Andrew. Um, shit, I missed some questions. I'm late in the questions. God damn. Aaron, I'm on YouTube and Zoom. That's a true pack member, man. um, Sasha, how long did it take you to become profitable? Um, and again, I explained that in many forex talk over beer. It all depends what you consider profitable, right? Um, because I mean, you need to think about like the money invested in courses, into setups, into screens, into computers, into you know, I get that all in everything in consideration, right? So for me, took me probably like I started so probably a year and a half, probably around there. But to be constant, like I was seeing like profit coming in, because for me profitable is to say I'm over what I have invested in myself and my equipment, right? Which was like many thousands of dollars. So yeah, so but to be able to be constant, sorry, um probably like 6 7 months, 8 months there. Yeah, 8 months. 8 months makes sense. I'm so bad with time, man. I still don't remember what age I am. Like every freaking day, my girlfriend is actually a battle. I'm like, yeah, I'm 37, right? And she's like, no, you just turned 39. I'm like, no, I'm 38. It's like, so man, don't ask me any question about times because I suck at it. Sorry, guys. But to be honest, people ask me sometimes questions about like, yeah, so uh, when was your last competition with your dog, or when was this? And I'm always like, yeah, it was like 2 months ago. My girlfriend looked at me, is like, no, it was like 8 months ago. I was like, really? So I mean, to be honest, it's just like because I suck at it. Anyways, um, what? Thanks, man. um, yeah, Karen is Karen sharp, man. She's sending me some good chart. GU looking better. GU looking better. I don't know. I didn't take a look at it. We're gonna take a look at it. Send a chart. We'll take a look at it, Kevin. Kevin Drummond. Is it because you live in Drummond? No. Hi Sasha. Can you please talk about the QPs? You can. Oh, we answered that. Oh shit. Answered those questions. Do you have a line at 132 750? Where does it come, Sasha? Yeah, I have a line. I'm not sure I'm understanding the question. Um oh, chart from Andrew. Andrew. Where's the wheelchair, man? Okay, so looking for buys over here. This is what, GJ 30 minute? Okay. Range and clean sell below yellow line, which is 142 835. 830. Yeah, that would make sense. It's a safe sell at this point. Yes. You want to break that wick. Yes. Yep, for sure. That makes sense. The what, sorry? Oh yes, it is. Oh yes, it is. It's very this one right here. So yeah, definitely. Definitely. And that's why price is bouncing back and forth. But you see price pushed really hard. So we might see a push back up before going back down. So we need to understand how price move. Um, question 50. We close below support on GJ. We have got such clean traffic. Should be a good sell. Oh yeah, I'm just, man. When I saw that this morning, to be honest, I was super excited. I was like, yes, finally, finally. How long it's been like since we didn't have like clean traffic like this? It's just like, oh, I don't know. Yes, Eric. Yeah, this year. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, well, the problem and the reason why I'm going to tell you, it's very simple. The reason why is you got this QP here at 143, which is a very strong price, and you got this support on 4 hour, which is very strong. So that's why price is going back and forth and back and forth and trying to bounce. And now we need a break to the downside, you know. Yeah, exactly. So right now, guys, don't touch it. I mean, right now it's not worth it. We have plenty of time. Don't rush into a trade right now. Just like it will be dumb, to be honest. And to be right now to take any impulse entry, it will be kind of stupid. So yeah. Where was it? Okay, next question. Price can react at that level. Yeah, Sasha. What is your best advice if you're going into losing streak? Um, drink a lot of alcohol. No, no, I'm joking. I'm joking. I've been there. Like I think it was like what 2 weeks ago. Man, I got started my challenge on a four losing streak. It's just like it was brutal. It was brutal, guys. It was the first time in I don't know how many months, but it was the first time. What? Yes, it was the first time because I don't remember that, to be honest. So you know what? So it's all part of the game. It's not because you're being constant at one point that suddenly you're not losing, right? So I mean, nobody is a superhero. Nobody is perfect. Nobody's always winning. And you know you got to go through the process, you know. But understand that if you lose, three in a row, what I do personally, I didn't did it that time, but back then, what I was doing is every time I was losing three losses in a row, and I know there's students here that actually did that, and it helped them, and I did that myself, you know. And the tip is what I do is I close my MT4, my live account. I go back on demo, and I need to win three trades in a row to come back on live, right? Three in a row, not winning one, losing one, winning one. You know, three in a row. And back then, it took me like months. It took me months. Sorry, months. It took me weeks, like months. It took me weeks to come back online. I think it was, if I'm not wrong, if I remember correctly, and again, I sucked at this, but if I remember correctly, and we can ask Mark because Mark was trading with me at that point, and I think it was like 5 weeks. I think it took me like 5 weeks to be able to come back on live market, and that, man, I was at this point to freak out and actually give up. To be honest, I was like, man, this shit is hard. Just like, and it is, it is. This is actually the thing that's the hardest thing I did so far. And I launched businesses. I did MLM. I did door to door. I did all kind of stuff. I hustled hard, but this is the hardest thing I ever had to do. Exactly. Exactly. So yeah. So anyways, so to come back to this question, so my tip, and that comes from one of my mentors I had in the past. It was like leave live market, go back on demo, win three trades in a row, and come back. And don't forget, if you trade your demo account like a dumbass and you're doing like over leveraging and over trading just to have those three wins, you're not helping yourself. You need to trade that demo as it was your real money. You know, if I was losing like $5 on that demo account, I was freaking out. For me, it was real money. So you got to put your mindset that you're trading real money, and that will work. But if not, it's not gonna help you. But that's what I will do. I would go back, win three in a row, and come back on live market because I mean, you need to gain back confidence. It all comes down to that. You need to gain confidence. Just think about like hockey players, okay? Hockey players going into a game streak with no goals or no points. It's really hard mentally. So it's really, really hard mentally. They lose confidence. But once they get that puck in that net once, after that, bam, boom, 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 goal after goal, right? So it's the same idea here. Same idea. You just need to gain confidence back, and you're gonna get those win back, man. Sure. Yep. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, man, you're right. You're right. Went back to basic, and you know what? Last week I didn't took one impulse entry except of my dogtail trade setup during NY Open. That's the only. and I said it up front. That was the only one I was taking. Except that I was not touching any impulse. I was waiting for candle to close. Why? Because I needed my confidence back, because I just had like a 4 days losing streak, right? So yeah, man. At one point, some points you need to get back to basics. So you're right, Phil. Thanks. If you're losing, oh, okay, yes. Oh man, people's giving their age here. Oh, 18. Ooh, 18. Man, I wish I learned 8 works at 18. Um, always think Zane, 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 Zane. Here. Oh, okay. So visualization. Oh man, this is hard to say in English for me. Um, there's some words like this. I was recording my course. I was recording the course, and I recorded the French version and now recording the English version, and I was trying to speak, and I was speaking and speaking. I'm trying to say a word, and I was like, shit. So I need to cut it, redo it at the same word. I was like, damn, again, and I did like 5 times. I said, you know what? Let me change that word. So I kind of scrapped my script and I changed the word for something else. I was like, fuck. So yeah, that makes sense then. So I can see that for sure on and I'm so lost with all those screens. Okay. So GA. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this guy that was sleeping. So yeah, I can see that, but to be honest, the next one should continue up. The next candle. I think you're gonna get your bearish one on the next, not this one. This one, to be honest, if it was me looking at this trade, I would like this candle to come back up here, close bullish. The next one close bearish, and that would be, this is 7. What time is it now? Okay, so this 7:30. Yeah, so you'll be writing the 7:31. So that what I will expect, and I wanted to see, because yeah, probably gonna get this wick fill, and after that reject, right? So at this point, GJ still ranging, but man, oh man, when this shit breaks, it's gonna be party time. But you see, I didn't put my desk on into bullish mode because I really wanted to go to the downside, right? But now my ass is hurting, so I have no choice. Put it on bullish mode. All right. Oh, here goes the wheelchair. I don't know. I think it started with my story about not me remembering my age, and I think it started started a trend. Let's take a look at YouTube here. YouTube, Eric, if close below 142, yes. Sasha, we can hear you fine, but we can't hear the Zoom on YouTube. Oh, yeah, same problem. Since I'm still recording the course, I didn't spend time on this setting, but I will try to move the mic here and increase the volume of my speaker. And that should help a little bit. It's probably not going to be super clear, but at least you can have an idea what people are saying on Zoom. I lost 7 trade in a row. I need to go on demo. Oh hell yes, yes. This is urgent. This is a 911 call. So yeah, no, definitely. And the thing that is actually more important than to go back on demo is actually to understand why you're losing, you know. So that's something really important, guys. Donc, quand vous perdez, puis c'est ce que je parlais tantôt, puis so let me just give some pointers in French here. Donc, quand vous perdez, on parlait de ça tantôt, quand vous perdez plusieurs trades en ligne, moi, ce que je vous conseille fortement, puis j'avais eu ce truc-là dans un de mes mentors à l'époque, puis ce que je conseille, c'est si vous perdez 3 trades en ligne, je vous conseille de retourner en démo. Puis on en a parlé tantôt juste avant que Marc arrive, mais il va pouvoir confirmer. Je n'ai parlé en anglais, mais Marc va pouvoir confirmer. Ça m'est arrivé à l'époque. Puis j'ai été retourné sur le démo et je pense que ça m'avait pris des semaines. Je pense que ça m'avait pris 5 semaines, si je me rappelle bien, à retourner sur le marché live. Puis la seule façon que je retournais sur le marché live, c'est d'avoir 3 gagnants en ligne. Puis je me rappelle, là, des fois, je n'avais 2. Puis là, je perdais le troisième. J'étais en train de capoter. J'étais en train de devenir fou, littéralement. Je chattais avec Marc, puis d'autres gars. Puis j'étais comme, j'y arrive pas, ça n'a pas de bon sens. Puis pour vrai, j'étais pas loin de quitter à ce moment-là. Ça a été vraiment dur psychologiquement. Et ben, je suis bien content d'avoir continué finalement. Donc, donc c'est ça la réalité. Donc, c'est ce que je vous conseille. Si vous perdez, c'est de prendre un peu de recul, mais surtout de comprendre pourquoi vous perdez. Ça, c'est important. Sachant my chart, GJ, on GJ, yesterday, I got a losing trade because I misclicked the trade on my pocket. I lost 15 pips at 0.05. Executed the trade by putting my cell phone down. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. Well, that's why you should not be trading from your cell phone, to be honest. But yeah. Uh, Classic. Oh, London? Oh, Asian. Oh, of course. Of course. Classic. So here's a chart from Christopher. Okay. So sell below 142,860, buy above 143,160. Yeah, that would make sense. That's exactly what we're waiting, kind of. I want to make sure we get a resistance form here. Yeah. Let me put some lights here. Oh, someone's having a lot of background noise. Probably Mark again. There we go. Man, this guy, he invested everything in his stash, so he has no money left for Mike. So I guess we're all gonna put money aside and we're gonna buy Mark here, Mike. um Hey guys, if you're on YouTube, don't forget, or if you're on Zoom, go check on YouTube and give a like to the stream. That'll be very helpful. And we finally reached the 700 mark subscriber. So 1,000 on the way. Let's go. And yeah, once the course is done, I'm gonna launch that contest. We're gonna draw magic key for to reach 1,000 subscriber. So I'm gonna announce that in the next couple weeks. All right, so let's see here. What time is it? 6:48. All right, so let me go grab something. I'll be right back, guys. So don't say anything stupid. Or if you do, make it interesting. I'm gonna make 10 minutes. Yeah, I fight with. Fuck no, man. This guy's way too. Yeah, there's no freaking way I'm getting my ass whooped by Raj. This guy's way too. Maybe. Because if I need to punch him, I need to jump, punch him out. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Hi Sasha. This is my first time on your live stream and mostly looking for cells below 142,832. Past the wicks. Could you please have a look to my chart? Thanks. Yeah, sure, Oscar. Welcome, welcome. So let's take a look at this. Here we go. So this is GJ 30 minutes. Bearish trend. Yes, buys above 143, 167. To be honest, I would not buy in this because it's kind of scary. It depends on the timing, but I mean, not very nice here. Yeah, but that's different. Timing is everything. Sells below 142, 832. Yes, makes sense. You want to make sure you have a resistance form and or a wick retest depending on the timing. And yes. For sales looking left, there's clean traffic. Yes, definitely. That's what we did. If you if you're on YouTube, you can rewind to the start and we actually did a full breakdown analysis. So you're gonna be able to see it. But yes, definitely if you look to the left, so if people just joined, basically what I'm waiting for is to be breaking this zone, create some resistance here, and we can have a nice sell to the downside. It's clean traffic up to like 142,400, and 142,400 is also on 4 hours. Right here is a, where is it? Oh, it's on the daily. Was it on daily, monthly? I can't remember. Where was it? Where did I talk about 142,400? Oh, right here. Yeah, 4 hours. The what? Sorry. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Bank of England. All the news are coming on. Yeah. Get your popcorn ready because this is gonna be a pretty good show. Yeah, well, that's why I'm not entering a trade right now. You know, yeah, I'm gonna wait for market to absorb it, and we'll see how price gonna react. And after that, we're gonna be able to take action. But right now, anyone entering a trade right now, you're probably gonna see your spread going up like crazy. So it will be really, 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 really risky to enter a trade, and I would use the word dumb. It depends. If you're the kind of guy or kind of girl that actually trade news and you know what you're doing, that's a totally different story. But if you're just like regular trader that use like technicals and a little bit of fundamentals, and you're trying to trade the news, you're looking into suicide, a financial suicide. so so yeah, it will not be smart right now. Especially that spread's probably gonna go up like crazy in a couple minutes. So as right now, it's still I'm still at 0.8, 0.9, but wait, yes. I like the way when you say my name, I always think you're Frenchman. I'm like we, and I heard saying, I'm like, oh, eh. That's good. That's actually a good thing. You saying my name the right way, so that's good. So you want to take a look at G8? Let's take a look at G. Hey, is it exactly what I said or what? Did I said that we're gonna fill this wick earlier? I told you, right? We're gonna fill this wick. This one's gonna close bullish. Next one's gonna close bearish, and we'll continue down, right? So that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because you have 764 acting as safety net. This is the safety net. If it breaks 764, there's no going back. Hey, what team is that had? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this guy, the Yankees. Oh, this is what? Oh, spread's at 2.5 pips. This is just retarded. Oh, 4 pips. Oh, 4.2. Oh, 4.8. Oh, let's go back to GJ. So everyone that took a sell, ample sells, look at this madness. Holy. So Casimiro, I holy. What? uh... Oh, this is amazing, man. I need some, I, I need some popcorns. Yeah, let's take a look. Um, yeah, straight up, no wick. Oh yes, that's what. But if you're looking at the numbers right now, if you're looking at the yeah, yeah, nothing changed. So yeah, I'm definitely expecting correction of this because technically we should come back to the price we were. This is just like positive hype. Man, look at the retracement. So yeah, man. So again, to answer, G Casimiro, Yo Sasha, can you explain the trade from yesterday? If you want, you can watch Forex Talk Over Beer from yesterday. I actually broke it down there, and just earlier on this stream, I broke it down again. So you can rewatch it. I think that's gonna be. There's some good learnings in there. So on both the Forex Talk Over Beer and the one I did just now, I kind of explain it differently, but I'm pretty sure you can get nuggets from both explanation. Man, I need popcorns, wings, something. It's like Super Bowl watching price like this, man. Just this is just amazing. Um, yeah. Ah oui. Ouais, c'est ça. Ah oui, hein? Ouais, c'est son genre. Mais je sais qu'il y a un compte. Raja, il y a un compte. Il y a un petit compte qu'il utilise pour trader les nouvelles. C'est pour ça. So Albert was saying that Raja actually took the buy on trading the news, and he does that often. The reason why is they actually have another trading account, which is a smaller account, um, and he used that one to trade news. Um, so that's something people can do, but to be honest, you need a small balance because look how you can get slipped. Your man price can be slipped from 30, 20 pips. Oh, look at this price just keep on flying. Um, so yeah, so if you enter a buy, let's say you enter a buy, um, no, let's say you enter a sell, and price shoot the other way, man, your stop's gonna be slipped by like 20, 40 pips sometimes. It's just like it can be retarded. So you want to make sure you have a small account to trade the news. Don't use your main account to trade the news because it can be brutal. So that comes back to if you don't know what you're doing, it's stupid to trade the news. Going back. Oh man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But you use this. You probably use this small account to trade the news, like he did for NFP. He did that a couple times. He traded NFP with that small account. Yeah. All right. So nice one, Phil. Okay, Karen. Okay. No. Wow. Hey Phil, ton analyse, elle sert plus à rien. Je m'excuse. So I'm like, Phil, your chart doesn't mean anything. Yeah, sorry. People asking if we catch something. No. Oh, Phil actually posted the news. All right. Do you think this move will be corrected? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Um, Forex stock over beer is private. I can't watch. What? Can anyone else go check if you can watch Forex stock over beer on YouTube? Someone says it's private. The last episode. Okay. So it's not private, dude. No, so I don't know. Maybe it's something wrong with your YouTube restriction, or maybe if you're under 18, maybe because it says the word beer. Maybe I don't know. Shouldn't be a problem. But I still broke it down in this live, so you can rewind this live also, and you can actually saw me breaking down the trade from yesterday. Hey guys, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I mean, we just reached the 700 mark, so that's pretty good. And smash that like button, please. That would be very helpful. We are now at 32 likes, aiming 50 likes before the end of the stream. So let's do it. So if you're on Zoom, go give it a like, and if you're on YouTube, give it a like right now. That'll be very great. Smash that like button, guys. So price right now, what time is it now? It's 7:08. Price is still pumping. And at this point, there's nothing we can do. Just like we need to be patient here and see where this thing's gonna go. Wow. Look at that 5 minute. Attends un peu, 30 secondes, je reviens à toi, c'est pas long. Look at that 5 minute. No wick at the bottom. Boom! It's just like straight up. Straight up. I'm 18, but it says it was blocked by the user. That is weird. That is weird. I'm gonna look into this after the stream, but oh, maybe you're in the state. Maybe you're not 21. Yeah, maybe 21's in the state. I don't know. So I'm gonna take a look at it after the stream. Yeah, of course. Like really. Yeah. Oh, with a glass of milk. Oh, yeah. Oh, cookies and milk. I got it. Pork stock over cookies and milk. Oh, that's it. Oh, I'm so gonna do that. Oh, sorry, Jim. Jimmy, what's up? I was looking at gold earlier, and I wanted to take a sell under this zone. I'm not trading gold, but paper trading. Um, what? But now, yeah, but now the price that came up, if we break this, uh, yeah, if we break this, it's either a buy over here, which is clean traffic, or a sell under here, which is like clean, 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 clean. The bar. Oh, because I'm on 5 minutes. It's clean traffic to the left, right here. So it's one of the other. Ah, Goldman see. Effrayant. So look at this now. Correction coming down. So this is the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure we can expect a correction of. Okay, so now we need to adjust some zones. Il y a quelqu'un qui tape très vite. Someone typing very fast. Sorry. No, that's fine. Here. So now we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Man, yesterday I waited. Man, it took a long, long time. And sorry, guys, I know people asked me for my journal, and I was slammed with work, so I'm gonna do my journal probably sometime, probably during lunch break. Probably gonna do that later on. Um, Probably gonna do journal from yesterday and Tuesday. Yes. So I wrote down on paper everything, so I remember because last time I tried to journal after 2 days and I was so lost. So now what I do when I don't have time to journal, I actually mark down my notes on a paper very quickly, and after that I go journal it because yeah, tomorrow's gonna be insane. Interest rate. It's a crazy week for news.
At least we can talk about this.
Yeah. So you see here for the US in 1 hour 16. One's in French, so I'm gonna put here. Unemployment claims. Quelqu'un qui recule un camion.
Non. So, non, interest rates sont. Tous les chiffres sont even.
Ouais.
I think that's why.
Oh, Phil, you got this from your work terminal? Phil is a spy, man. Phil is our spy, man. That's it. Man, I feel dumb right now because usually I'm pretty good with flags, and I'm looking at BBK flag, and it's just like,
Honestly, Spain.
oh, here we go. Okay, because it's super small. If I would have to guess, I would have said Spain, but I was not sure, to be honest. I was like, oh, nice, man. Look at this guy.
Oh, it's not like time.
Yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, Spain is nice, man. Yeah, Ellie's here. Amza? I don't know. It was, yeah, it's true. It's been a while. Didn't post on Discord. Yeah, yeah. He was on a good winning streak, man. But you go to you, man. Where's Hugo? Hugo, il me dit à un moment donné, il y a une couple de mois, il me dit, ah, Sacha, tu devrais faire un stream en français, ce serait vraiment nice. Je décide de faire le stream, il disparaît. Oh, Ellie says, I'm always here. Here we go. Okay. Hello, hello, Sofiane. Qui a pris cette bougie? Oh, personne. Personne. Parce qu'il n'y avait aucune façon de prévoir ça. C'était des nouvelles. Donc, c'était très, très, très difficile à prévoir. La seule façon de faire, c'était d'avoir un buy stop probablement autour de 143 ou un sell stop en bas de 142 838. Puis ceux qui ont fait ça, bien évidemment, ben, c'est la roue de fortune. Euh, mais il n'y avait aucune façon là, de le faire autrement. Puis de toute façon, je conseillerais à personne de faire ça, à moins d'avoir un deuxième compte, qui est un petit compte. Comme ça, il n'y a pas de danger que le slippage brise ton compte. So basically, the only way you guys would have been able to catch this is probably with a buy stop above like 143, 100 or sell stop under like 142, 840. And trading this with a smaller account, with not with your primary account, with a second account. But again, I don't trade news. I'm not interested in it. Yeah, it looks cool on Instagram if you win this. You're gonna look like a hero, but I don't give a shit. Uh, I'm not on Instagram to brag. I'm on Instagram to bring value. So that's why you don't see me post about like money or cars or anything, you know. So I don't give a shit. So it's funny. I see some people. They're so funny, man. I see some people lately in my Instagram. They're actually from Montreal in the area, and they posting some video and pictures of their Lambos that they rented. You know, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. And they actually post trades, win like $2,000 or $5,000, but they hide the lot size, right? So I'm like, why are you hiding the lot size? Like, cause the restriction and blah blah blah. I'm like, no man, you're hiding the lot size because you overtrade from a demo account because you just want to show the big numbers. That's what it is. You know, it's just like, don't be a dumbass. Like, people drive me nuts. Anyways, that was just c'était juste ma montée de lait.
That's stupid.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, that's probably it too. You know.
C'est quoi?
Ouais.
Ils vont s'ouvrir une option qui sont dans garde avoir juste qui va ceux qui
Quel je vais vomir. Je vais vomir. Just to be flashy on Instagram and recruit people and man. You know what drive me nuts also? You know what drive me nuts about those kind of people right now? And I have some respect for some of those people because I know them and they're a very good person. But what drives me nuts though, it's even those person. I'm about to call them and say what I think, and I think I'm gonna do it today. And I find them so stupid to promote a business on Instagram and Facebook saying, "Hey man, you want to work from home and blah blah blah." All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's perfect. That's good. That's a good sales pitch. And I did MLM, and I think there's some very great MLM company out there. But if you're promoting this, why the fuck are you going into houses doing meetings or renting a little room and have 10 people sitting each other side by side in a freaking pandemic? And your thing is work from home, but you're going to town to do meetings when we're all at homes trying to be stripped. And anyways, no, I'm not gonna freak out about this. I'm just about to get mad right now. It's just like I'm actually about to fucking slap someone. Sorry, I said it. Sorry, guys. So now I'm feeling better now. Mais non, comprends-tu? Ça fait aucun sens. Ça fait aucun sens. Ça fait aucun sens. Ah oui? Wow. Wow. Tu vois? Ça, c'est con. Tu comprends? Fait que, tu sais, mais t'imagines, ils continuent, man. Ils ont loué des condos ou des, je sais pas quoi, des chalets, puis ils ont fait des meet. Je suis comme, asti, vous êtes épais, man. Ah, est-ce que vous êtes con. Yeah, man, I want this to be fucking done. Can you please stay the fuck home? Yep, yep, exactly. Um, Sébastien Saucier. Hey, Sébastien. Hey, Sacha, tu fais tes propres streams depuis quand? Euh, à combien de temps, Marc? Parce que moi, je suis vraiment pourri là, dans les dates. Hein? 2 months? Ah, 2 mois. Hein? 2 mois à peu près, ouais. 2 mois. Ça fait du sens. 3 mois? 2, 3 mois. On va pas s'astiner pour un mois. Mais Sébastien Saucier, là, ça sonne québécois, là. Euh, non, 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 non. Viens pas de Monte-Carlo, là, tu sais. Mais oui, non, à peu près 2, 3 mois, je te dirais, Sébastien. Puis j'alterne généralement français-anglais dans le stream. Donc tu peux poser des questions en français ou en anglais, peu importe, je vais y répondre. Tu peux envoyer ton chart, je vais le regarder, ça me fait plaisir. Euh, et ouais, on fait ça, je fais ça les mardis et les jeudis. Et le mercredi et le vendredi soir, je fais une émission qui s'appelle Forex Talk Over Beer. Puis je break down les trades de la semaine. Je parle de différents sujets. Comme hier, exemple, je parlais de la différence entre Funding Talent Challenge puis FTMO. Yeah, you watched it? I think that was pretty good. Sur Zoom. Ouais. There you go. 2 mois, 2 semaines. Oh, Sébastien Gatineau, Ottawa. That's it. Ben, c'est ça. Et voilà. Ouais. Ouais, je vais y envoyer ça. Envoie-moi un DM, Sébastien, sur Instagram. Euh, ah ouais, non, le monde était complètement idiot, là. Yeah. They actually draw. Yeah. Oh, that was amazing. The episode with the goat, man, that was sick, man. Yeah, they actually gave. Yeah. No, the story behind that is him and Ted, with him and Ted actually gave money to rescue. It's a rescue center for animals, and they specialize in goats. So they actually gave money to that rescue, and they did a they did a show over there. So the girl was filming the goats and she was introducing, here is Amanda, or can't remember the name, or I think they wanted one called Amanda, if I'm not wrong. And sorry, I think we have an Amanda also on the stream, so sorry about that. But I think it was Amanda, to be honest. And we were live for like probably like, oh yeah, half an hour easily. That marked me, man. It's just like that actually that was impressive. I was like, oh man, shit. That goat episode, man, that was sick. Yeah, that's amazing. Hey, first time I see your face, man. There we go. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. So next time I go in Spain, give you a call, man. Amazing. Yeah, I went when I was on a cruise. Yeah. Yeah, classic, you know. Yeah, it's classic. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It was nice though. Yeah, of course. You know, it's always the fight, you know. Euh, Sébastien, vraiment nice. Je vais t'envoyer un DM. C'est le fun de voir des Québécois être sérieux dans ce domaine. Merci, merci. Écoute, on est sérieux, mais pas trop sérieux quand même. Mais non, je comprends ce que tu veux dire, absolument. On travaille fort, on travaille fort. Yeah, it's been a while since we're talking about anything. So yeah, okay. So let's do this. Let's do what we're waiting for. So basically, if you look at GJ right now, price shoot up after news, right? So at this point, we need to be careful. We need to wait and see how the market is gonna adapt to that news, right? So at this point, I still think that price will be corrected and we're gonna come back down to where we were. But that's just my thinking. But based on what I see right now, what I see is this is a major support being formed right now on 4 hours. If this closed like this at 9 a.m. And but I don't think it will. But again, based on H1, based on H1, of course, it's I mean doesn't even make sense. You know, how big is this candle? So right now, I mean, even if you want to enter a buy right now, I mean, it doesn't make sense. You know, it doesn't make sense because you got this resistance right here. You got this QP right here, right? 750. So that's why I didn't place a zone here because I got my QP line. But basically, you got this resistance right here, so you cannot buy. And you got this miner also. I mean, there's nothing you can do in this kind of range right now. For better buys, it has to be above like 144 to be honest. Oh, actually, not true. Above 750. Above 750, we can see something, especially if it's like an 8:30, 9 o'clock. That's something we can see. I can see a buy above 750, but before that, not worth it. And sells, I mean, sells this zone, I hate it. This zone, I hate it. I want to sell under here. So right now I'm being super patient and gotta wait, you know. So this is the 30 minute. 30 minutes, same idea. You got this resistance here at 750. So that's why I'm buy is possible right now. You got this minor zone that we can put right here. That's actually being respected right now. And that will match one. So again, so it's being respected this minor zone. We got this minor zone here, so you cannot sell here, right? And this you don't have range also. I mean, look at this. You have what 17 pip range here, so it's pretty tight. Um, this one 17, same thing. Yeah. So let me do this in French very quickly. Whoa, what's up? OK, donc principalement, ce qu'on attend, c'est simple, c'est si on regarde le prix maintenant a monté très, très, très rapidement à cause des nouvelles. Donc, il n'y avait aucune vraiment façon de pouvoir prendre ce trade-là. Donc, à ce niveau-là, il faut être patient, il faut attendre. Si on regarde en 4 heures, si jamais cette chandelle-là ferme comme ça sur le 4 heures, c'est sûr que là, l'indication va être qu'on va être à la hausse. Mais pour l'instant, je continue de penser que ce mouvement-là va être corrigé. Si on regarde sur le 1 heure, sur le 1 heure, on a la résistance à 7,50. Je n'ai pas mis de zone parce que j'ai ma ligne de QP ici. Donc 7,50 est respecté présentement. Et on a cette zone mineure-là sur le 1 heure qui est respectée aussi. Vous allez voir, ça a formé, c'est en train de former un genre de résistance ici. Mais encore une fois, cette chandelle-là vient tout juste d'ouvrir, donc on ne sait pas. So it might be possible for this candle to start forming a wick down and break that high. And now it's 7:30. So yeah, so that can be possible actually for maybe a buy above the 750, definitely. Yeah. So that's something possible, but I still think we're gonna correct this. But that's what I'm thinking. But we need to trade based on what we see. Donc ça, c'est ce que je pense, mais on doit trader sur ce qu'on voit et non pas sur ce qu'on pense. Donc deux choses complètement différentes. Ouais, donc à ce moment-ci, il faut juste être patient, pas faire de stupidité. So while you're waiting and you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you activate notification and smash that like button. So, man, I really like that animation. So, hey, man, I mean, right now we're ranging. We're still at 32 likes for like 30 minutes. We're ranging on the likes. So, donc, si vous êtes sur YouTube maintenant, si vous êtes sur Zoom, allez faire un petit tour sur YouTube, donnez un like au stream. N'oubliez pas, très important, n'oubliez pas de vous inscrire pour le channel. Comme ça, vous allez voir quand on devient live pour les prochaines fois. Right. It's funny because if I move the hand right here, you're not going to see it on Zoom, but right now, if I move it here on YouTube, it's smashing Albert's face. Let me move it back. Oh, yeah. C'est correct, Albert. La dernière fois, Albert, il dormait. Ça, c'était drôle.
Mais bon, puisque j'ai la
C'est bon, c'est bon. Ah, vas-y, vas-y. Oui.
J'ai remarqué ça se cumule, ça se zéro.
Tu as la perte daily, tu as la perte par jour, puis tu as la perte totale. Donc, tu peux jamais descendre en bas de 10 000. Si c'est sur le compte à 100 000, tu peux pas avoir un drawdown de plus que 10 000. Et ça inclut les positions ouvertes. Principalement, si tu es en drawdown, mettons, tu avais déjà perdu 2 000, puis tu as un trade qui va dans le drawdown de 8 000 actif, tu as brisé la règle. Donc, très important.
Ça se cumule. Ça se cumule. C'est-à-dire, après,
Ouais, ouais, exact. Me semble de ce que je comprends. Peut-être regarder avec eux là, je suis pas. Ok, je vais vérifier. Je vais vérifier. Ok, je vais vérifier. Sofiane, I have 143, 545, and it looks like very strong. Maybe this is just a retest and continue up bullish trend. What do you think about? 143, 545. Oh yeah, this zone. This zone you're talking about? So yes, as you see, it got rejected right here. Now it's going to push back up. So that's exactly what I said. We might form a bottom wick, and if it starts breaking the high, it can be a good opportunity for buys. But I want to make sure we break this 750 though. That's my only concern. I mean, if we break the high and after that enter a trade and reject 750, I'm not gonna be happy. So I'm gonna be waiting. And if I miss the move, I missed it. Yep.
Right?
Yes, the daily. Yes. Yes. Correct. And to be honest, there's a lot of people asking me those kind of questions, and yes, it is. But I didn't I didn't spend a lot of time reading the rules in details, and the reason why is I don't give it. And the reason why it's really simple. I don't overtrade, and I don't over leverage. So for me, it's impossible that I break those rules. So that's why I'm not taking a look at it. You know.
How much do you?
I risked between 0.5 to in the max I did. I think it was 3%, but I'm averaging 1 to 2%. So yeah, it will be fair to say 1.5. Oh yeah, correct. Yes. Yeah. But yeah. I cut but don't forget, I will never, and that's the other thing though. I will never lose a full trade. If I'm risking 2%, I'm never losing 2%. Because I manage my risk. Yeah. Because I manage my risk. So for me it's well, that's exactly what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, I never ending up in a full loss. The reason why is because I manage my risk. So when trade goes against me, I'm cutting my losses short. So I'm going to be losing sometime like 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, and I was risking 2. So it's going to take me like 10 losing trade or 12 losing trade to actually comes to that. So that's why. Hold on, wait a second. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, but that's expected. That's expected, to be honest. I mean, when you trade the news, man, this will happen more than one time. To win one trade on news, you need to lose probably like 5 or 6. Yeah, I would. I To be honest, I will never do that. To be honest, I don't even trust. Like I don't, and I don't even remember last time I used the sell stuff or buy stuff. I don't even remember that. And sometimes we try to complicate it stuff too much. And I think Phil actually was right on the dot when he said sometime we just need to go to basics, and it makes sense. It just makes sense, totally sense. We sometimes I think while trading we are overthinking, um, and we're trying to be a little too creative. But if you go back to basics, most of the time it will work. Keep it super simple. Yeah. Hey man, that's good. Man, I was actually cheating. I was actually teaching that when I was doing MLM. I was like, yes, guys, keep it super simple. Or there was another version. It was like keep. We had another version that was actually funnier. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, keep it simple, stupid. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that makes sense. Um. Um. Sofian, thanks, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. I really wish I could hear the other guy as well as you, Sasha. Yeah, that's gonna be fixed soon. Like I said, it's just like, man, I'm so man, I'm not good with tech stuff. And yeah, c'était Vincent? Non, attends un peu. Non, non, pas Vincent. Voyons. Ben oui, oui, je sais que tu veux dire. Ouais, Steve. Ouais. Ouais, fait que. Mais ouais, non, il faut. Ouais, c'est ça. Bref, un coup que le cours va être tout setupé, après ça, j'aurai du temps pour ça. So, once the course is set up and everything is done for the course, I'm gonna have more time to spend on that. And I recorded not recorded, but I downloaded some music also for YouTube. So I'm gonna fix everything. Streaming is still new for me, so bear with me, but it's gonna get better. So, but yeah, David. So I'll work on this. I promise. I promise. Not now, because I still need a couple days to finish the course. But after that, I will definitely look into this. All right. So let's see how price is going. Still going nowhere. Yeah, nice, man. So yeah, we were talking about buy or sell on gold. 5 minutes. So looking at 5 minutes, talking about buy above this zone here, and yeah, if you took it, yeah, pretty good. Right now, it's man, that would be sick, man. It's like a 7.5 pip stop for 20.4 pip gain, so it's pretty good. Pretty good. Or you can be more conservative and have your stop over here, and yeah, 1 to 1 basically. Makes sense. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. What about GA? GA, baby. GA. So GA actually did the same thing as GJ. Actually pushed. Look at this golden zone being destroyed. Okay, let's remove that. Wow, man. Actually, I think it's even bigger than GJ. Jesus. Okay, let's just for fun. Just for fun. Oh, that's on 5 minutes. Whoa. So when was that? 6 o'clock, 6:30. What time was the news? It was probably here, right? So this push in 5 minutes, 75 pip push in 5 minutes. Let's take a look at GJ. Who's gonna win? GJ or GA? Oh, GA is the winner. 65 versus 75. That's crazy. Yeah, true. Man. Okay, so what's up with GA? So now we created a high. Okay, let's adjust those on here. So still keep that zone right here, because if you look at the left, we got this resistance here that became support right here, so that makes sense. Now we got this resistance here at 79,250. Put the minor here, which is right on the QP line, so I don't really need it actually. We got this support right on the major QP. So now a new high is being formed. Now we need to form a support here to push back up, but I really think this move is going to be corrected. So yeah, it's still too early to take anything from me personally. Goddamn news, man. We had such a perfect setup. We had such a perfect setup for sell. Oh, man. Oh, man, I'm looking at 5 minutes. Why am I? Okay, so looking at the 15-minute. Yeah. Break previous low. So technically, I mean, it should continue down and correct that move. Looking at GJ on 15-minute. Did we start the correction? Not yet. We tried, but not coming down. Man, it's too bad that this QP is right there. Because on GA, to be honest, I would be tempted to take a sell right here. But the QP is right there, so scary. Scary, scary. And just wake up and come back up. So we gotta wait. Bye, Mike. Have a good day. Oh, GPP pairs did that spike, yeah.
Bye bye, everyone.
Hey, bye, Ellie. Thank you for tuning in.
Bye bye.
Take care. Take care. Sasha, if we create a minor support, then break it, could we sell back down? Okay. We create a support. We create a support and break it. Oh, yes. Yes. I want to make sure we close under. Oops. Yeah, definitely. Well, yeah, we can. If we form resistance, I think. Yeah, if we can form resistance here, I think we can crack that move. So far we respected previous high, so we didn't broke previous high. And so far, yeah, I mean, now it's 10 minutes left in this candle. So looking at 1 hour, this is gonna close bullish, of course. 15 minute, 15 minute last one closed as a doji. So this one need to respect previous high if we want to make sure that price is gonna continue down. If it breaks previous high, it's gonna bigger chance for price to continue up. Here. Boom, boom, boom. Hey man, we need to reach 50 likes before the end of the stream. Come on. Come on, man. And if you're watching the replay, don't forget to do it too. Because after the replay, I'm expecting at least 600 likes. No, I'm joking. 100, that would be amazing. That would be great. So looking at this 30-minute pushing, and it's gonna probably break. So yeah, I kind of like the setup, but after this zone, we can go up to oh. Yeah. That's why I'm gonna be patient. Oh, Brian jumped onto YouTube just for that. All right, for that like. Thanks, bro. Oh, let's see here. We have a chart from Bricky. Do we say Bricky or Bricky? I don't know. Bricky? Mackies. I-check les femmes sur Instagram. Je le savais, c'est évident. Encore pire. Plastic area. Okay, so looking at Euro US, so EU, which is probably the most um manipulated pair. So I actually don't have this pair in my thing of trading view because this is the pair I hate the most. But yeah, if we can help, I'm gonna help. Recent support created, expecting price to go up to the next strong support resistance. Also use news coming up. If positive, the move should be quick. Oh yes, for sure. But if you look at it, this is the 15-minute. And yeah, you're just ranging, right? So you want to make sure you break and close under, or if you're using the use, break the low of this wick to the downside, or break the high of this wick to the upside, and yeah, I think you should be fine. But again, trading the news, man, it's super risky, so be very careful. Hopefully you're not using your main account, because you can be slipped like many pips. And people get mad when they get slipped, and it's part of the game, man. So as we were talking about, this candle now broke previous high, so more probability for price to continue up. But now after a push like this, if we're gonna continue up, I want to see a support being formed, and yeah. If it was 8:30, that would be a different story. Would it probably enter? Yep, 8:30. Um, this, that, and that. Just a paper trade for today. I already took my L. Thanks, dog. All right, Ricky. Thank you.
It's close.
The what? Sorry.
So, 5:30.
Yeah, it looks good for closing above. But
It
again,
looks good, but
yeah, the thing is, we push. I mean, we push like more than 100 pips. So at one point, man, this price needs to come down and create support to push to continue up. So that's why I don't want to be trapped buying a high.
want to be trapped.
Yes, there's big chance for price just to come back down, retrace a little bit, create support, and continue up. Because right now, I mean, it's over 100 pips. I mean, price needs to take a break at some point. It's just how it moves. So yeah, if it closes above here, it's a good sign for price to continue up. But man, I would love for price to continue and break 144. If we break 144, man, oh man, that's gonna be also pretty good. Because if you look, you got this miner here, around like 144, 100. But after that, if I remember correctly, after 144, yeah, look at this. After 144, boom, clean traffic. This is on 4 hours. Pretty awesome. Forgot I can scroll with my. Man, it's so far. It was like, I think it was February. Last time we were above 144, I think was in February 2020. So basically a year ago. What? Be a year ago. What year was it? Oh, look at this. 24 February. So a year ago, price was above 144. And a year ago was before the pandemic. Before everything got shut down. And look what happened on 24. On the 24th, That's where they announced that they're gonna close out the economy and shit's gonna hit the fan. And look at this, it just it just melt, and I mean, it went straight down to 142, I think, 132. So look at this here. So above 144, man, we have clean traffic. That'd be nice. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna be more patient and just wait for the perfect setup. And I'm gonna go full margin. Okay. Oh man, that's gonna take forever. Okay. How we do that again? Move to Mark showed Mark showed me that. Mark was waiting for me to scroll to her to tell me, hey, did you forget about blah blah blah? Man, F you, man. F you. There we go. So this is on 30 minutes. So above 144 again. Look at this. Clean traffic still on 30-minute also. So yeah. What, sorry? Oh, click. Yeah, right here at the bottom. It says go to. You click on this and you change the date. And I look smart, but I didn't know that thing. It's actually Mark who showed it to me.
See that?
Yeah. Yeah. True. Fact. But oh, is it a Spain flag? Oh, okay. Awesome. Fais juste attention les mots en F. Ouais. Look at GA, man. Look at the daily chart on GA. Look at that wick rejection. Boom.
Someone subbed that.
Ooh.
Yeah. On the swing trade.
Oh yeah, man. These days, man, I have a lot of respect for swing traders because I don't know how they do it. It's just like in the past 2 years, swing trade. I have a lot of people that was doing swing that converted to intraday because it's just like it's too crazy out there. It's just like, I mean, you can have a super good analysis and suddenly, bam, news hits you. Yeah, Brexit fucked everything. Yeah, Brexit was crazy. Everything about the pandemic is crazy. Just like, man, I don't know. Trump. Oh man. I still think this move's gonna be corrected, but we'll see. On avait raison. Test et up. Oui, exactement. Oui, exactement. Si on regarde sur le 30 minutes, c'est ce que je pensais que c'était pour faire. On était pour wick en bas puis briser vers le haut. C'est exactement ce qui s'est passé. Mais je n'étais pas à l'aise de prendre ce trade-là. Juste prendre le trade pour que ça fasse le contraire. Oui, effectivement, Sofiane. C'est la loi de Murphy. Do you think it is harder to catch a good trade after such a move news? I don't think it's harder. It just is. The only thing is just it requires more patience.
Sasha feel to go back.
Correct. There's less probability. Doesn't mean that price will not go up, but there's less probability for price to continue up. Yes.
But you look at the zone have the same thing, like stop.
Yep.
Like, and then.
Yep, exactly. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, because right now is at a 30-minute resistance right here. So yeah. So we gotta see. We got to see. Yeah, for me, like taking a trade here at the break of this eye was not making sense for two reasons. First, there's a QP right here, like not even a pip above, and I have this zone like 10 pips, 11 pips. So it's too tight, you know. Marc, je sais ce que tu penses, dis-le pas. Je peux lire dans tes pensées, man. Mais dis-le pas, on est sur YouTube. Tu sais, déjà que je me fais barrer mes streams parce qu'il y a le mot bière dedans. Imagine si tu dis ça. Alright. Oh, Jimmy. J'ai cliqué, pourquoi ça? Ah, parce que je suis pas à bonne place. Jimmy's chart. Oh. This is gold, 5 minutes. Oh, look at this thing. That's it. Goldman is such a wild horse, man. That's why I'm staying away from gold. I backtested it for a while, and I kind of, you know what, I was like, meh, no. So I started to put more time on GA, and that's it. You know, I'm just focusing GJ, and sometime I take a sneak peek on GA. I think I took like 3 or 4 trades so far on GA, but not much. Yeah, gold is wild. Wild West. Hein? Oui, la différence, c'est que GU a le mot US dedans. Et j'étais allergique à ça. Parce que pourquoi? C'est qu'il y a trop de choses qui peuvent impacter le prix du USD. Ils ont tellement de connexions avec plein de pays qu'il y a une affaire qui va mal. Puis c'est ton analyse technique, elle prend le bord des toilettes là, assez rapidement. Le président tweet quelque chose, c'est game over. Il y a trop de choses avec le USD. C'est pour ça que moi, je me tiens loin de tout ce qui est USD pair. Là. C'est parce que c'est très très difficile de prédire comment le USD va bouger. En fait, c'est probablement la devise la plus difficile à prédire parce qu'il y a trop de choses qui la fait bouger. Il y a trop de choses. Et le USD est connecté partout à travers le monde pratiquement. C'est ça le problème. Alright, bon travail. Jean-Marc, the stash. What time is it? It's 8. Oh, okay. Still have an hour. It's too bad, man. I really felt like we're having a very nice sell under here, and oh no, I knew about the news, but I was to be honest, since everything was the same, I was like, no, it's gonna probably move up a little bit and come straight back down. So that's what I was expecting, but it did the opposite. It's too bad, man. I think tonight I'm gonna be dreaming about that clean traffic to the left side. So sad. I wanna cry. Based on the sell idea we had?
Yeah. I'm talking about, see, sharp domain. is, say if you was to sell on GA, there's a cheap sell. So I'm sending you the screenshot.
Yeah, send it to me. Man, I'm so gonna need a Red Bull today. I'm so gonna need a Red Bull. And the reason why is, and I woke up, I think it was like 3 a.m. Eastern, and I was dude, I was like, I felt like it was like 7 a.m. So I really thought I like overslept. I thought my alarm didn't go on. I actually woke up. I was like, oh man. So I actually look at my time. I was like, 3? Like, what the hell? So I went back to bed, trying to sleep. I was fully awake. I was like, oh my god. So finally got up, I think at 4:30. No, it was like 4:05. Woke up and came and played with my settings for the stream because I was trying to fix a problem from yesterday. And yeah, but now I'm feeling that I'm gonna be tired later on. So oh, you sent it? Okay. Oh,
If I was to get a cell, TV.
oh, if you're selling here,
No, not that one.
this one.
If I was to get like a similar to yesterday.
Yeah, you need, what you need for this one is, hold on, wait a second. Let me grab a pen. So you want to sell from the next candle, right?
If I can get a better.
Yes. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so basically you need this candle to start to print bearish. Engulfing will be better, of course, engulfing, so bigger than this one. So now you can sell the next one, and I will aim TP for the fill of that wick. And after that, you got clean traffic, so you let your runner go, man. Full TP, man. Phew, right there. Actually, I will secure some more profit probably at this QP. But yeah, first target, fill that wick.
See,
yeah. No, exactly. Yeah. So it makes sense. It makes totally sense that we're gonna continue down. It's just like it's gonna be a correction. Keep on saying that. It's not showing that right now, but I still keep thinking that we're gonna correct that move. Oh yeah, but right now GA looks good because it's actually right now you're saying it's having a little bit problem to break that resistance here, that previous resistance to the left. So it makes sense.
Especially if it closes down this time above 79, 250.
Yes, exactly. So you want to close under that one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, overshot. Yeah, correct. Yeah, because that way I don't see the numbers here. Hold on, wait a second, because all the cameras was blocking. Is that 7,250? Yes, 7,250 overshot. Yeah, definitely. What's up, Simon? Le gars qui fait la grasse matinée, man. T'as manqué le show, man. Tabarnak. 100 pp plus, man. On l'a tout pogné. Hein. On a pogné quoi? 72 pips, les boys? Hey, merci de me supporter dans ma menterie, les gars. Ah, bah ouais, c'est autant de hey! Wouhou! So I'm telling Simon just woke up and he's actually showing up on the stream, and I'm like, hey man, you missed the show, man. We just grabbed 72 pips, right, boys? And everybody went silent. I'm like, hey, thank you for helping me in my lying. Ouais, c'était les nouvelles. C'était interest rate. Fait que là, principalement, on attend une correction ou continuation vers le haut, mais c'est ça. Ça, c'est GA, par exemple. La la la. So GJ, keep on pushing. Man, if we can go above 144, I'm going to be excited. Yeah, that looks nice. Or the point of return is going to be 144. So if price tap 144 and start rejecting, that's also going to be beautiful because now we're going to get some clean traffic to the downside. So if we start creating resistance here at 144, I think that's going to be amazing also. Voilà, à ce moment-ci, il faut faire attention là, aux éléments techniques parce que tout ce move-là, c'est basé sur les nouvelles. Fait souvent, ce qui arrive avec GJ, c'est qu'il y a souvent une correction du marché après les nouvelles. Tu sais, sur remarque, on était bearish full planche là, avant ce mouvement-là en 5 minutes qui a fait comme 75 pips, je pense, 65 pips. Fait pour ça que, écoute, à moins qu'on brise puis qu'on ferme en haut de 144, je pense qu'on va corriger ça. It's either that or all that move this week to the downside was priced in. You know? So market kind of priced the news. So they went down and now we're gonna come back at where we were before last week, you know. So I think that was what was that? Oh, that was actually Wednesday. No. What date are we? No, that was Monday. Yeah, that was. So yeah, exactly at the beginning of the week. Yeah, correct. Hmm? Yeah, but for me it doesn't make sense. So I'm really happy for people who grab that, but I got my rules and I'm following them. Especially that after that first brutal week on my challenge, I need to be very careful. Oh, yesterday trade, man. Yesterday trade on my personal account. It was the first time I actually used 5 position. Yeah, first time on my personal account I was up to 5 position. I was like, Hee! Non, non, ça c'était mon challenge. Mais c'était la première fois que j'utilisais aussi 5 positions sur mon live, sur mon personal account. Yeah. GTX trading. Hey Sasha, are you using hollow candles? Hollow candles? No. What's hollow candles? Oh yeah, I know which one are those. Those one are the funky one. Those one. Yeah, man. This is I don't know how can I don't know, man. It's just like is it me or my eyes is just like it can't follow. It's just like I don't know. Man, I just it's I'm looking at it for 30 seconds and my eyes are tired. So I can't no, sorry. But sometimes I do drop to the line though, just to see market structure. So that's why my favorite, that's my 2 things here. So sometimes I go to this and I see, oh, hey, all right, perfect, nice, all right. So we got a shampoo pattern. Okay, perfect, awesome. We got the W pattern. Okay, great, awesome. We got M pattern. Oh no, you cannot trade on that. It just doesn't make sense. For me, it doesn't make sense to trade on this. It's just like no. For me, it's just for visualization. Fuck it. You know, I cannot say that word. It's just like it's impossible. It's just like so yeah. Visualize. Oh, I like that. Yeah, perfect. Easier for the Franglish. Um. Hey, bye Val. Bye bye Val. Je savais même pas que Val était là. Elle s'était cachée. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, sorry. I cut someone off. Good morning. Good morning. Not yet, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming. It's either like I said, it's either above 144. We have clean traffic. And well, we got this minor resistance here, but it's either that or reform resistance at 144 major QP to correct that news. Because that's something I can see also. It's like keep on talking about that. I can see a correction. I mean, nothing changed basically on the news. I mean, it's everything's the same. They kept interest rate the same. So yes, it's kind of positive in a way, but I don't think it's positive enough to keep the price here. We were like down here, so I mean, I'm expecting price to come back where. So, but that's what I'm thinking. But we need to trade on what we're seeing. Um, so now what I see is price pushing up, breaking previous high. So now at this point, price is reaching 144 major QP. So I need to close above to be able to take a buy. And now we're going to be getting the NY open market volume. So that's going to be interesting. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, someone actually grabbed the buy from the call that I did here on this candle. I was saying wait for the wick to come down, break the high, but for me, I'm not taking it because of the QP and minor resistance here to the left. But someone actually took it and sent me a picture and got a nice win. So congrats. Boom, boom, boom. The bad thing with the only thing bad thing I can see with because someone said that Raja took the buy in the news. The only bad thing I see is people now is gonna start trading the news. So because people don't realize Raja knows what he's doing, and he's trading on a smaller account, not his main account, and if it gets slipped, it doesn't affect his account because it's a secondary account, right? So that scares me because I know I can see right now I have like 5 people asking me if I traded the news and should they trade the news next time. I'm telling you guys, focus on what you are doing. Stop changing stuff around. Stick to one thing. It's like I got people asking me if I do stock again. Like guys, I give this example before and I will give it again, but you cannot be a surgeon and a dentist at the same time. It just doesn't make sense. You cannot ask a surgeon to do a dentist job. It's just like doesn't make sense. So again, if you're trading forex, why will you go trade stock if you don't know shit what you're doing? So, anyways, this is my personal thing. Right, so here. Can you imagine if this 30-minute candle flips bearish? Ooh, that would be amazing. In the last 7 minutes, flips bearish. Excited. Take a look at the smaller time frame. Ooh, actually didn't break previous high here on the 15 minutes. Looking at 5 minutes. Oh, interesting. Okay, okay, okay. Take a look at GA. GA looks like reach up also. Expecting that's this minor sense on 15-minute places right here. This
If GA breaks that support,
if GA break that support, you what? Yeah. Sasha, on a percentage ratio, how many impulse entries you take compared to waiting for candle closure? Um, Last week was basically, I think, only 1 out of 6, or 2 out of 6, and usually probably, I don't know, 40% maybe impulse. I think that's fair. Because now the only impulse I take basically it's based on that ducktail trade setup, either on NY Open or NYC Open. So NYSE Open, people that stock exchange. But yeah. And if I do impulse, it's always going to be on a 30-minute, not on a 15-minute, because there's way too much fake out on 15 minutes. Yeah, since now a couple months, and like I said, I not good at keeping track on times, but I think it was like maybe a month or two ago, we decided to do a challenge, a couple of boys together, and we actually did a challenge of not taking any 15-minute entries for, I think it was like 15 days or 10 days, I can't remember. But after that time, we actually look at our win ratio, and our win ratio was so much higher. Then we actually decided to just quit on the 15 minutes, focusing on what was giving us wins. So same thing with impulse. For me, the setup that I like is that dogtail trade setup, and the rest of the impulse, like breaking out of a range, too many fake outs. So that's why I don't do it too much. But yeah. All right. So this candle flipped back bullish. So again, you see on the 15. Oh no, that was on 5 minutes. So based on that 5 minute, there's people who took sales, right? People took sales on that 5 minutes. Sure. Can we break and close above 144?
I don't know.
Yeah. To be honest, if it was not pushing that hard already, I would have taken the impulse entry. I would have taken this right now because it's like 8:15 right now. 8:27, so it's 8:30. Oh no, that was I was looking on the 15 minutes. Sorry. Sorry. I thought I was looking at the 30 minutes. So no, sorry, I would not have not taken this one yet. But the next one though, yeah, okay, hold on. Wait a second here. So, because if it close above and we can get a wick down, break the high, that can be good. But I would prefer a resistance being formed and sell, but we're gonna get, we'll see what we're gonna get. But, yeah, let's go back on the 15 minutes to see. We can get a stop here. So basically, let's say we break this, stop's gonna be like 14, yeah, 14 pips. So bad. Not so bad because I mean, not so bad because you have clean traffic to the left side, right? We got this miner here, but that's it. So, but I can see price rejecting 144 and create resistance also. Yeah, 144 is really, really, really strong. So last time, I mean, it just did a fake out above 144 and came straight back down. So we never been above 144 all of 2020, and up to now, the only time we were above 144 was um, when was in February last year, actually a year ago. So, do you think that situation right now is better than a year ago? I don't think so. Slightly better because there's some vaccine out there, but all right. So let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. So if break we break the high, did we close above? Oh no, we rejected 144. I don't know. I don't like this. So I'm gonna wait. Getting ready with my magic key, but if we start pushing back down, if we start going down and I have a nice rejection to the downside and now break the high, okay, now that's gonna be good. But if it's break right away, I don't see it. I'm too worried about the fake out just above 144 and to come down. Did you take any trades, Sasha, today? Not yet. Being super, super, super duper patient. I am minus 1.4% for today. Oh, send a chart, man. Let's see. Let's see if we can help. Hey guys, if you're on YouTube right now on the Zoom, don't forget to go on YouTube and give a like to the stream, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be very appreciated. And let me get that smash button. Smash that like button, guys. We are at 38 likes. We need to get to 50 in 30 minutes. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, 39. Here we go. Can we get to 50? Can we get to 50? Come on, 50. Why, someone removed the light? Really? Really? Yeah. Yes. Okay, back to 39. Oh, 42. 42. Oh, 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 coming up. Like GJ coming up. Like GJ. GJ. Can I grab a 0.5% maybe on the break of the high? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe I'll enter very low risk. Oh.
We're dying now.
Yes. Fuck.
Yeah,
Damn it.
okay.
No. It's not the now it didn't broke yet, so I was a little too quick on that trigger. Yeah, not looking.
Shouldn't couch him. This is me, that's too much like
Yeah. No, I don't like it.
to catch up. It's already
Yeah, no, I closed that at minus 1.8 pips and that's it. I'm not even that. I'm not even because actually, to be honest, I had my finger like this, and I actually press it way too quick. I kind of anticipate the break, so you know what? So I'm not. I'm gonna play. I'm not gonna play with this. If it's not breaking, it's not breaking.
it's not safe.
Boom, boom. This guy is more worried about his leg than the stock. Not gonna ever answer. Not gonna even answer that. Um, so funny. So yeah. So Yuan, we're not trading stock here. So should get your facts straight. We're trading forex. And yeah, you know. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. People just get so much hate in themselves. Oh, that's why. That's why. Renko, scalpers don't make money, learn to trade. Scalpers don't make money, learn to trade? Not sure what you mean. I mean, he doesn't trade stock, so yeah, exactly. Thank you, Amanda. Renko, some people make money. Scalper, okay, not everyone will make money swing trade. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna start a debate here on what's better between swing trade and scalping. I mean, both are really good. It just depends on what you're feeling more comfortable with, you know. So, um, okay. So now at this stage, I can enter a small risk, 0.5, and that's it.
Don't take trades after tu vas pas faire
C'est vrai. Oh my god, les gens, c'est comme ça. Là. Je m'en fais plus avec ça.
C'est gratuit.
Ah, people hate on free stuff. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Jean-Cac, c'est sur le stream à radio, on dirait que c'est tout.
That's all good. That's all good. All right, so this trade now is at running at 4.5 pips in profit. So now 5.7 and who 6? Jesus.
Nice, boys, nice.
Here we go. 7. All right, so I guess we're gonna get a small win here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I actually forgot to place my partial TPs here. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second here. Wait a second. here. And let's put the partial at 12 pips.
This we're gonna be saying soon.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we should go to 145.
Ooh, look at this guy.
Yeah, the ball comes juicy, man.
Sure.
So your stops
I put my stop under the previous 15 minute to get a lower stop loss. Sorry, but that was at the beginning of the candle. I did that, and after that, I moved my stop under the active 30-minute candle. Yes. So when it started, I put it under the 15-minute just to give it a little bit of room. But as soon as it was like 4 pips in profit, I moved it under the active candle. Je sais bien pas, man. Pourtant, je suis très blanc. Feeling nervous? Oh, that's good. Yes, sir. Yeah. Me? I didn't partial TP yet.
Parce que qui serait plus clair, ça serait de. Parce que comme ça, si on est c'est sûr que ça va si ça continue. Have the flower club.
Yeah. And right now it's
risky to.
yeah, anyways, I got a very small position on this. I'm risking like 0.5%, so and right now I'm running at 9.8 pips. Here we go. Here we go. Partial TP at 11.5 pips. And thank you very much, GJ. Here we go. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. So we didn't make money while scalping, by the way. So booyah. So here, for the new people, let's go, runner. So yeah, so now you can give a like to the stream. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. Yes. Oh, super. Super, super. Ben oui. No, right now, I mean, I only took a small entry, like a 0.5% risk. And the reason why I explained it, but let's me recap this. So this is my kind of setup I really like when NY Open happen or while NYSE happen. And now reaching 15 pips. So I'm gonna secure some more here. Full TP. Full TP. Hold on. Try to figure out where we can. Oh, there's full traffic after that to 145. So, okay, price can push really hard like that. Put full TP at 595. Full TP is gonna be at 495.
I landed yesterday in the UK.
A what? Sorry.
There's a plane that landed in the UK yesterday.
Okay.
Holy market, so the body is parked now.
There what?
There's a plane that landed in the UK yesterday.
Uh-huh.
It was carrying market makers.
Oh. It took me a while to understand. I was like, what is he talking about? Market what? So okay, so let's break this down again. Okay, let me secure some profit here. Okay, perfect. So close another 50% here, and all right, let's rock. Okay, so the reason why I actually took this trade here. So this is my kind of setup I really like. I like when we form the bottom wick and break the high. The reason why I enter a lower risk is because this rejection was really small. So in those times, I don't really trust it. And plus, I have this QP right there. So that's why I was not willing to risk a lot. When we broke it, I took my 0.5% risk. And after that, I closed like 80% right here. I think it was at 11.5 pips. And that's it. You know? That was pretty simple. Pretty simple. So now I would love to be able to add some more positions. So what I would like is for price to come back down somewhere around here, create resistance around what support around 144 to continue pushing up. And at this stage, now I'm going to be entering more position. But until then, I need to wait. You know? So I'm going to let that runner go and we'll see. Si on forme un support, oui, parce que j'ai juste utilisé 0.5%. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There's no way you can re-enter now, you know. I'm going to re-enter only if we form a support because I only used 0.5% so far, you know, so. That would be a major correction, right?
Yeah.
Just move my stop into profit, and now this trade is running like 18 pips in profit now. Oh man. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go. Can we get 20 pips? Can we get 20 pips? Like, can we get 50 likes? We have 43. But I'm not gonna say that too much because what's his name? Yoan's gonna be mad at me. So let's see here. 18.5. Can we get 20 pips? Can we get 20 pips? It's pretty good, pretty good. Pretty decent. Man, that runner is making money.
Yeah, it's going up.
Oh, sweet.
I didn't took it, so.
Boom, boom, boom. Clean sells? When? If it closed below 1810? Oh, you're talking about gold. Oh, okay. I was like, what is he talking about? Oh yeah, look at this. So you see how this paper trade idea got faked out? Ooh. And the original trade idea was sell under this. Yes. So under 1810. So that was the original idea we broke down at the beginning of the stream. Was a selling idea under here. And there's clean traffic to the left side. So this should melt pretty easily. chat ou un chien, ça? Non, c'est un chien ou un chat? Oh, it's a dog! What's that? Oh, it's a pugster! Gee, boy! Man. T'as 3 pugs? No fucking way. T'as vu le mien, right? Non. Ouais, c'est elle qui. La plus vieille de la gang. Elle est endormie. Hein? Tu dors la grosse? Hein? Non, elle est bringée. Elle a 10 ans. Hein? Les deux autres ont 10 ans, ouais. Et là, ils mangent quoi, ces chiens-là, là? Ah, là-bas, 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 là-bas. Là-bas. Allez, envoie-moi ton adresse en privé, je vais t'envoyer de la bouffe que t'essayes. Hein, tu vois? Ton chien vient de gagner de la bouffe, man. Yeah, send me your address. I'm gonna send you food for your dog.
Press on sell.
Alright, j'avais pas. Oh, you took the trade, oui. Sofiane, j'avais pas, sinon je l'aurais pris avec vous. Ah, ben, j'en avais parlé pourtant. Euh, oui, 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 oui. All right, so I guess I'm gonna be ending the stream now. It's 10 minutes left, and I'm just gonna leave that run. And if we form kind of a support above 144, I think that's gonna be great. If price comes back down and create resistance under 144, I think market's gonna correct that move. If not, we create support above 144. I think we can go much higher because we have clean traffic to the left side. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being there, and I see you tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be on Ratchet stream, but tomorrow night I'm going to have another episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, so don't miss it out. Don't miss. Oui, yes. Oh, really? Oh yeah, sure. Okay, so we're gonna host one tomorrow. So pass the word around. Yeah, pass the word around. We're gonna stream until Raj is back. So let's do it. So I'm gonna actually send a message to Kerwin and Mac and trying to get the group here. All right, Sybil. All right, ciao guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Take care. You guys are brainwashed, man. You guys are brainwashed. All right, take care, guys. Where do I end?